Hello, people. Once again, this is Siddharth Rajshekar here speaking to you from beautiful Chennai. Okay, just plug in your headset and click on the play button below. Okay, just turn on the volume so that you can hear me. So today I'm going to be talking about the 7 types of sales funnels to attract customers online on autopilot. So as all of you know, my videos are really short. I'm going to be crunching it down. I'm going to crunch down over 5 hours of research in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's dive straight in. Now, this is the mind map, and I'm going to be walking you through the 7 types of sales funnels. I'm going to be walking you through the core concepts and the 7 types. You have a typical sales funnel, a book funnel, a product launch funnel, a perfect webinar funnel, real stuff funnel, fishbowl funnel, bridge funnel, and some important steps at the end. Okay, so I'm going to give you a downloadable version of this mind map. If you stay till the end of this video and if you participate 100% in any kind of call outs that I give, I would like you to type in the chat box when I ask you to do it. Okay, so on that condition, I'm going to be giving you a free download of this mind map, which is high value information. Okay, so let's first get into the core concepts. What is a sales funnel? Let's first understand that. Okay, what is an online sales funnel? An online sales funnel is nothing but a way by which you can get your customers smoothly through a process of to becoming your customer. Getting somebody who does not know you, nurturing them, warming them up, making them from a cold to a warm prospect, and making that prospect into a lead online is what I call as an online based sales funnel. And what are the components of a sales funnel? Normally, a component of a sales funnel are these. First, you need to have some kind of a lead magnet, a magnet that can capture the lead of the person, or it could also be a one-time offer, or what I call as an OTO, one-time offer that you want to give them, that they want to purchase something from you. The second piece, or second component, is you need to have a landing page or a delivery system where you can provide whatever you're offering, as whether it's a product or as a service. And you need an email auto-response system, because as and when the inquiries keep coming in, you need to be able to follow up with them quickly to offer them what you're doing. So let's say you're going to be doing an ebook giveaway. You need to find an efficient way to give them the ebook. Like, even if you've been watching my videos, my 5-minute videos, whenever I ask you all to give a particular set of words in my chatbot sends you that information, and that entire piece is part of the delivery process. So these are the components of a sales funnel. Now, why do you need a sales funnel in the first place? You may be asking me, Sids, why do I need a sales funnel? And this is the reason why. One is for you to get more qualified customers. You don't want any junk leads just coming into your system. So by having a proper sales funnel set up, you can get qualified customers, and the best part is you can start making more money on autopilot if you have something valuable to offer. Okay, so do all of you get it? Yes, do all of you get the core concepts? Just type in the comment box, get it. Just type get it in the comment box, and I'm going to be getting into the 7 types of sales funnels. Okay, let's get to the typical sales funnel. The typical sales funnel looks like this. You have traffic. Let's say you do a video, and from the video you have traffic going to your squeeze page. A squeeze page is nothing but a page which squeezes out information from your customers in terms of their name, their email, their phone number, and they get into a list. Once they get into the list, you can either send them direct to a one-time offer or an OTO, and you can use follow-up emails for them, pointing them back to the offer so that they can buy your product or claim your service, whatever that you're offering. So this is a very typical sales funnel that all of us would have seen in many campaigns that we would have been a part of. Okay, so this is the very typical sales funnel. In fact, even I run this for some of my other products that I'm selling. Now you have a book funnel, which is the second one. If you're planning to write a book, by the way, I'm writing a book now. I've started writing a book called Digital Tribes. And if you wanted to be a bestseller book, this is the bestseller book funnel. And by the way, these snapshots I've got from, I actually learned this from one of my top mentors. His name is Russell Brunson, who's the founder of ClickFunnels. Okay, they're a company that's awesome in creating funnels and funnel-based systems. So these snapshots, I just want to acknowledge that I've taken this from there because he is the authority. Russell Brunson is one of the authority when it comes to building funnels. Now, the bestseller book funnel looks like this. So you have a landing page, and then you have a video explaining about the book, saying, hey, the book is coming, and you can say free shipping. I'm going to be giving you a free shipping if you register for free, and you can get them to buy the book. Maybe it can be like a $10 book or $11 book. where they buy the book online. This is not through Amazon. This is like directly through your landing page. And then after they buy the book, you can give them an OTO. OTO is a one-time offer, video one. Maybe you want to sell something else besides the book. Maybe your book has some very good information. You want to give them the book for $10, but after they buy the book, you can offer your consultation or your services or something which is more lucrative than just a $10 book. That way your funnel will actually will monetize much more than just the book. The book is only the door that opens to a higher value product that you may be offering. Okay, so you have OTO 1, OTO 2, then you can have a thank you page at the end, and all this can be in sequence. Okay, so you can actually package a whole bunch of stuff in this particular funnel. This is a bestseller book funnel. Number 3 is what I call as a product launch funnel. Now, Jeff Walker is the authority on this particular topic, or product launch formula. And this is how a product launch funnel looks. So many of you would have experienced this. You get into you give your name and email, and then you get into a series of videos. So day 1, you see video 1 talking about wow and how it really works. Then video 2 is a more transformational education. Then video 3 is you give them an ownership experience. What is it going to be like? And video 4 is where you actually sell your product. So usually a 4-step video process, selling process, is what I call as a product launch funnel. This will work really well for selling any product. Any product can go through this. So the first 3 videos is more about education and experience, and giving your customer a value-based experience for them to make a decision on video 4 to buy the product. And this works like magic, especially if you're selling digital products online. Okay, this is product launch funnel. By the way, if you're finding this information really useful, valuable, and informative, just type in the comment box super useful. Just type super useful in the comment box, because that will encourage me to give you much more. Okay, and we are just halfway through. Type super useful in the comment box right now. Awesome. Now this the 4th one is a perfect webinar funnel. If you want to run webinars, in fact I do a lot of webinars and I've been testing out some of these funnels. Now this is how it works. So you may be doing webinars on different days of the week, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and when people register on the webinar, you'll send them to a confirmation page, and one option is in the confirmation page you can sell something. You can sell your product or your service. That is one way. And the other thing is, once they get into the webinar, let's say they come into a Thursday webinar, towards the end of the webinar you can sell your product or your service. And let's say somebody has missed the webinar, or for whatever reason they dropped out of the webinar in between. On the next day, say Thursday, you do the webinar. Friday you can give the replay. Saturday you can do a replay plus cliff notes of the webinar, and on Sunday you can do replay plus cliff notes plus a special one-time only offer, or like an urgency scarcity kind of a thing, where you get them to make a decision to buy your product or service. And this is what I call as the perfect webinar funnel. Okay, I'm going to be testing more around this particular funnel, but it's really I've seen many marketers even automate this whole process and make that whole buying experience so seamless that it works like magic. Now that is the perfect webinar funnel. Let's get into the real stuff funnel. If you're selling some real stuff, shoes, any physical product, maybe you're selling a phone, or you're selling a bouquet of vases or some kind of artwork. Now this is how it works. You have a landing page with you speaking on a video saying that, hey, I've got these really awesome products over here, and talk about the story about the product, and you have the links to the products that people can buy. So when they buy a product, when they go to the next page, you can say, wait, I have something more for you if you buy this product. This is what even Amazon does. When you're going to buy a particular product, you would see below they bundle up 2-3 other products, and they would say other people have bought a bundle of these 2 or 3 products. Why not go for all of them together to get your special deal? When you give yes, then you have another next product page over there. So basically, in this real stuff funnel, rather than selling just one product, if you can give other products like a bundle, or what I call as an upsell, then you can monetize that funnel much more than just selling one physical product. Okay, does this make sense? Just type makes super sense. Again, I'm going to use a super word many times. Type makes super sense in the comment box, because this you can use again for anything physical. You want to sell any real stuff, it's a funnel for that. Let's get on the Fishbowl funnel. Fishbowl funnel works like magic for contests and promotions. Okay, so you can do something like this. You can have a video. You can say, hey, here I'm going to give you some free tickets. I'm going to give you a free voucher for something like this. If you have to enter this contest, just enter your email and submit your information, and boom. After they give their information, they come to a landing page where you can give them another special offer. Here is where you can sell. You can say, congratulations, you have entered the contest. By the way, since you've registered for this contest, I have a one-time only offer where you can buy this product at 40% off, 50% off. But it has to be relevant. It has to be relevant to the right target audience, and the offers have to match. So they're not only getting into a contest, but they're getting an opportunity to claim an offer which they will not get outside. So this is called as a fishbowl funnel. Okay, fishbowl funnel. Now let's get into the bridge funnel. Bridge funnel works really well, even especially for people in the network marketing businesses or even affiliate marketing businesses where you are selling other people's products. It's not your own product. It's not your own service or business. And this is how it works. Okay. So let's say you're promoting a company, let's say like Amway or Herbalife. So you need to have a main page, or what we call as a bridge or a bait page, where you can give away a free report. You can say 10 ways to lose weight quickly or something like that. People give their name, their email, download the free report. Okay, they download the report and they get to a bridge page. In the bridge page, you can say, hey, if I were a distributor, I would say, hey, thank you for downloading this free ebook. By the way, I have the right solution for you to lose weight. You need to get into this calorie controlled meal program, 10-day cleansing program. Just click on the button below. Herbalife is an awesome opportunity. Click here, and you send them to the corporate website where they go and register as an affiliate, or they go register themselves online. So this is what we call as a bridge funnel, which works well for network marketing or any other affiliate marketing types of products where you don't own the product, where you are selling other people's products. But why this is important is you cannot, the best way is not to sell people directly to the corporate website. Don't directly sell your opportunity. If you're a network marketer watching this, don't directly send people to your corporate website. You need to have a bridge funnel. People need to trust you, because in network marketing especially, people join people. The opportunities is open for everyone. So people join people, and the best way to build a rapport relationship with others is to create a bridge marketing funnel like this. Okay, so these are the 7 funnels. If you found this useful till now, I have something important to share after this. I would like you to hit the share button right now. I would like you to hit the share button and share this video on your page right now, because if you do this on your profile, I'm not page, on your personal profile, hit the share button right now, because you know what, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 people, or however big your audience is, they are going to benefit from this information, and they're going to thank you so much for sharing this. Because if you find this valuable, trust me, others in your network are going to find it valuable. So please do that service. Let's pay it forward, and please share this. I request you to share this right now on your wall so that somebody else can benefit. The whole reason I'm doing these 5-minute sessions, 10-minute sessions, so that I can inspire and create a ripple effect on social media and inspiring as many businesses as I can through one short 5 to 10 minute video. Okay, now important stuff. If you found this information useful, 4 steps. Step number 1, you can go to facebook.com/Siddharth Rajshekhar. Okay, go click on that link. You'll come to my fan page, and I would like you to like the page and go to following and click on this option called See First. Because when you click on See First, you'll be able to see these things first. I mean, many of this information is high value information, and if you want to stay up to date on really what's working right now, set it to this option. Otherwise, you're not going to see any of my posts, okay, with the recent changes that have happened in Facebook. Step number 3, go to asksids.com, ASKSIDZ.com, and just type in Facebook Messenger 7SF. That is 7 sales funnel. Okay, 7 sales funnel. Let me just do this right now for you. I'm going to go to asksids.com. You'll go to my Facebook Messenger. Okay, you'll get to my Facebook Messenger. Go into Facebook Messenger and just type 7SF. Okay, I'm going to type here 7SF. And when you type 7SF, you are going to get this mind map, okay, as a Google downloadable link, which you can use and take a printout of it and keep it as a refresher of whatever you have learned till now. And by the way, because you shared this on your wall, even other people who are watching this, they will be able to get the same information. Okay, and I want to give this away for free. It's a high resolution downloadable PDF. Go to asksids.com and type 7SF, and my AI chatbot will give you that information. Okay, and finally, now that you've opted into my list, once you download this PDF, you'll have a link to my next webinar. Next Thursday night, I'm going to be doing an exclusive webinar on how to make money selling digital products. If you found this useful, you're going to be spending more than 1 hour with me, where I'll give you a very precise formula on that. And I've given you the link to that Zoom webinar. It's a Zoom link. You have to register and come in there. It's going to be a 1 to 1.5 hour, 90-minute session where I'm going to be diving deep into how to make money selling digital products online, like ebooks, membership sites, video courses, and so on. So I've done a lot of research on that, and I have 90 minutes of power-packed information. So please be there on upcoming Thursday night at 9 p.m. Okay, so be there. In the meantime, did you find this session valuable, useful? I would like you to just share your heartfelt feedback in the comments. Just type your feedback, 1 line, 2 lines, and I will personally reply to you, just to acknowledge the fact that you've got some value from today's session. Okay, so Siddharth Rajshekar once again, thank you so much for staying till the end, and keep watching out for more of my Facebook live sessions. Cheers and God bless. Bye-bye.